Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find cool features for your edits using the explore section on CapCut. So this is like a new feature on CapCut where you can just find or explore useful features that you can use on your edits. So here the explore can be found under the new project tab, this one, explore. If you want to view all, just click on this button, view all, and in here you can see there is all. There are spot features, effects, tags, animations, filter, stickers, and also audio. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use the tags features here. Okay, I'm going to use this cinematic template, so click on that. And then here you can turn your video into a blockbuster movies. Try it now and choose or select your videos that you want to edit. Okay, then it will lead you to this. So I choose text before, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, and it will be automatically added to your videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.